Hi guys, in this quickfire tutorial we're going to demonstrate the difference between applying your transforms and clearing them. Here we have an example of two elongated cubes, and you can see they have been scaled by a factor of 4 on the x-axis. The first one here I'm going to apply the scale for. To apply your scale, hold down Ctrl and press the A key to bring up the apply menu. Then from this menu, select the Scale option. What this does is it will assign the current size and shape of your object as the new original form. So everything you do from here when it comes to location, rotation and scale will be based off of this form for the object. You can see in the side panel that the X value is set to 1, but the dimensions remain at 8 meters on the x-axis. Now let's demonstrate clearing your scale. To clear the scale, first of all, select your object. You can then go to the Objects menu and locate the Clear menu. You can also use the hotkey for clearing the scale, which is Alt and S. We're going to use that method, so hold down Alt and press S to clear the scale. While the applying of your scale assigns the values as the new defaults, clearing your scale will reset it back to the original default. In this scenario, it has reverted our elongated mesh back into its original cube shape, and this is the key difference between applying your transforms and clearing them. Thanks for watching guys. If you're interested in learning more about Blender, then check out the link in the description below. This will take you to the Blender Bootcamp, which is our own library filled with Blender learning resources such as classes, full courses, further tutorials, workshops and more. Check out the link in the video description and gain access to all of these resources for free for a 30-day trial period.